morning everybody. So yesterday we solved first two questions from the exercise 4.1. So today we will start with the question number 3. So during live session also, so we will discuss the solution for these questions. Am I right here? Yeah. Question number 3. Look at the question number 3 now. Look at the question number 3 now. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. 5p plus 2 equal to 17. That is, for what value of p the given equation will satisfy. Okay. Now first you can take the left hand side now. So what is in the left hand side? Left hand side is what? 5p plus 2. Now first you put p equal to 0 now. First you put p equal to 0. You start with the whole number. You don't try with the integers and all. Just you start with the whole number. Then left hand side is, here it is given that 5p plus 2. 5p plus 2. So put p equal to 0. So 5 into 0 plus 2. So 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. But right hand side it is given as what? 17. That left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore p equal to 0 is not a solution. P equal to 0 is not a solution. Am I right? Yeah, by doing mental calculation then we can able to tell me 5 into 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, no it won't satisfy. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, it does not satisfy. Yeah, when we are substituting p equal to 3 we are getting 5 into 1 is what? 5 into 3 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, we will solve. Okay, now after that put p equal to 1 here, put p equal to 1 now. So left hand side is what? 5p plus 1, 5p plus 2 here. So 5 into 1 plus 2, 1 into 5 is 5, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. But right hand side is what? 17 it is given. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore p equal to 1 is not a solution. P equal to 1 is not a solution. Now we will try for p equal to 2 now. P equal to 2 now. P equal to 2 means here left hand side is given that 5p plus 2. So 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. But right hand side is 17. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore 2 is not a solution. P equal to 2 is not a solution. Yeah. Shall we try for the value p equal to 3 now? Yeah. Put p equal to 3 now. That is left hand side is 5p plus 2. That is 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 which is equal to 17. Right hand side is also 17. We are getting left hand side is also 17. Therefore p equal to 3 is p equal to 3 is a solution. P equal to 3 is a solution. For an equation 5p plus 2 equal to 17. This is a solution of an equation. 5p plus 2 which is equal to 17. Am I right here? Yes. Look at the 7th part of the question number 3. 3m minus 14 equal to 4 now. Now what is on the left hand side now? Left hand side is 3m minus 14. Now substitute, put m equal to 0 or 1. Shall we start with m equal to, yes, we will start with 3 or whatever. Okay, we will start with 3 because here if you are substituting m equal to 0 means what? You will get a negative. But on the right hand side we are having a positive. 3 into 1 is what? 3. 3 minus 14 is minus 11. Okay, we will check with 3. Otherwise, you can substitute the value of m equal to 0, m equal to 1, m equal to 2, m equal to 3 and goes on. Here I am going to try with the 3, m equal to 3. Now that is left hand side is 3m minus 14. That is 3 times of 3 minus 14. 3 3s are 9 minus 14 which is equal to minus 5. But right hand side it is given as 4 for us. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore m equal to 3 is not a solution. M equal to 3 is not a solution of an equation. M equal to 3 is not a solution of an equation. What 3m minus 14 equal to 4. Am I right here? Now I am going to check for m equal to 4. When m equal to 4, that is, put m equal to 4 now. That is, left hand side is for 3m minus 14. That is 3 times of 4 minus 14. 3 4s are? Yes, 12. 12 minus 14. 12 minus 14 is how much, dear? Minus 2. 12 minus 14 is how much? Minus 2. Now, but right hand side we are having 4 here. So, therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m equal to 4 is not a solution of an equation. M equal to 4 is not a solution of an equation. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay, now shall we try for m equal to 5 now? M equal to 5 now? Yeah, put m equal to 5 on the same equation. That is, the equation is 3m minus 14 equal to 4. In a equation 3m minus 14 equal to 4, consider the left hand side, that is 3m minus 14. Now substitute the value of m equal to 5 now. 3 into 5 minus 14. Am I right, sir? Yes. 3 5s are 15 minus 14. Again we are getting as 1, but which is not equal to right hand side. But right hand side is we are getting as 4. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m equal to 5 is not a solution. Is not a solution of an equation. Three m minus 14 equal to 4. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Am I right here? Yeah. Now after that, check it for m equal to 6 now. Put m equal to 6. See, left hand side we are having 3m minus 14. Then when we m equal to 6 means 3 times of 6 minus 14. 3 6 are 18 minus 14, which is equal to 4. Yes, we are getting right hand side is 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, m equal to 6 is a solution. M equal to 6 is a solution of an equation. Of an equation 3m minus 14. 3m minus 14. Are you getting there? Yeah. So we completed the question number 3 here. In the next video, we will discuss the solution for question number 4. Thank you.